Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, March 26th. We do have e-learning today, so thanks for logging on. Your must-do items today are the same as they are every week. Your MT course in Kickstand, do at least one lesson and try to do like 1 or 2 practice pages, and then you can get into your Fluency Playground and do a lesson in that. For reading today, you need to complete your lesson of the day on Kickstand, and then you need to do your Wonders to-do list, and like always, read to yourself for about 30 minutes. For writing, we are kind of in a transition place for writing, so I just put in another Grammar Kahoot. You can access that in our Bitmoji classroom. Click on the Kahoot icon. For your can-do items today for math, you can work in your Flex course. Practice some of the games in your Flex course. You can work in Freckles, Sumdog, and Prodigy, or a different math game of your choice. For reading, you can do the games in Wonders, or you can log back into Epic. Those are always great choices. For your others, you can do a PE lesson today, a music lesson, or one of the STEAM lessons. I also put up a photo in our Bitmoji classroom of some muscles. We were learning about why our biceps are bulging when we move them. So you can finish up that mystery science experiment and lesson. You just click on the picture and it will take you straight to the link to finish up that. You can watch the videos again. You can print out and see a list of materials. If you lost any of your materials, you can access what you need in that or on that link. Okay? I hope you all have a great spring break. Remember, we do not have any e-learning or any plans for any schoolwork next week through April 5th, which is a Monday. You also have that Monday, April 5th off. There will be no e-learning that day, and I will see you all back on Tuesday, April 6th. Have a great spring break, and I can't wait to hear what you all do. Try something fun. Remember, live life to the fullest.